Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the word yawn. So here's the phonemic script, and what you can see there is that this is a one-syllable word. It begins with that y sound in English, y. And then in the middle we've got this or, this long vowel, but it is a single vowel, so we don't want to change the mouth shape. Keep that or as a steady shape. And we know it's long because of those two little dots that come afterwards. Then we've got the n ending, which sort of vibrates up there in the nose. And bringing all of that back together, repeat after me, yawn, yawn, yawn. Now, top tip, it looks like there's a W in there, but that A and W together is what gives us the or vowel. So don't try and pronounce a w in this word. Don't say yawn. That sounds a little funky. So the A and the W is represented by an or vowel in the word yawn. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment or share. And in particular with those comments, if you've got words that you struggle with, leave them in the comments below and I can make those videos for you. Check out the main page if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.